Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to make group assignments in Hypothesis. Hypothesis creates groups based on D2L groups. As we have a tutorial covering that, we will only quickly go over creating a D2L group in this video. Afterwards we will go through and make a Hypothesis group assignment. To create a group in D2L, go to My Tools, Groups. Click on New Category in the upper left. Give the category a name. Then choose the enrollment type. For the enrollment type, I would recommend using either number of groups or groups of a number options. Either option will automatically enroll students already in the course into random groups. If you are setting this up prior to the drop add period, I would recommend clicking on Auto Enroll New Users under the Advanced Properties section. Finally, click on Save. A pop-up will appear informing you that the group is being created. Click on OK. Go back to the Content tab. In this demo, we will start a Hypothesis assignment from scratch. However, you can turn an existing Hypothesis assignment into a group assignment by clicking on it and selecting Edit in the upper left corner. As we have covered creating a Hypothesis assignment previously, we will go through it quickly here. Click on Add Existing Activities, External Learning Tools. From there, a pop-up will appear. Find and click on Create New LTI Link. You may need to scroll down to find this button. Add a title. Then copy and paste the LTI link from the Hypothesis Wiki page. Finally, click on Create and Insert. This will automatically create a course activity. Click on it. This will open up a new tab. Select the appropriate PDF. The page will update. Click on the checkbox to the left of This is a group assignment. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose the appropriate group category that you want Hypothesis to base the groups on. Then click on Continue. You should now be able to see your PDF. In the upper right corner, you can switch between the groups. Let's take a look at this in an active PDF. As you can see in Group 1, a student has already commented. However, if I go to Group 2, I can see that there are no comments made by this group. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.